Hi, girls. Can you hear me? Ladies, Stephanie and Gabby. Hi, can you hear me? Can you see me? Stephanie, are you listening? Can you hear me? How's your cat, Stephanie? Do you have just one cat or lots of cats? Didn't you just get a new cat, Stephanie? Next time you have three. Next time I Skype with you, you have to show me your cats. I think I saw one in the background, but you have to show me your cats. Do they hide or are they cats that are like out? Addison, I saw your baby chicks. Your mom sent me pictures. They're cute. Do they fight with each other? The cats or the chicks? Do they fight? The chicks look like they like each other. They were all like cuddled up. They fight? Oh my. That's why we only have one cat because it's not allowed to. She would like not like other cats. Aw, cute. Hi, Ian. Miss Palmer, are you here? Miss Palmer. They have top hats. Did you make them top hats? Quinn, you have pets? Mm. Yeah, older cats tend to not like new cats, younger cats. So younger cats want to play, and the older kids are like, I just want to sleep. Leave me alone. Mm. Colin, I heard you have a big dog. That's what Miss Palmer said when she Skyped with you. She said you have a big dog. Hi, Clay. We're talking about pets again. Didn't we just talk about pets? Hi, Sammy. Sammy, do you have any pets? We're talking about pets. Close to 100 pounds. Oh my gosh, that is a big dog. Dog fur on your one jacket. Cherith has a dog, I know. I saw a picture of it with a bunny on Facebook. Oh my gosh. Stephanie, you have a lot of animals. I know, Gianna, I didn't get to see Colin's dog. Miss Palmer did. These are some big dogs. Cherith's dog's a little dog. All right, we're about to start. You have 10 animals? I hope you're not counting your sister as one of them. That would not be nice. What? Okay. All right. It is 11:30. So, we're going to stop talking about pets and we're going to start talking about math. Okay, so today's math lesson shouldn't be all that terrible. Um, so we are going to learn how to add and subtract decimals. I'll wait till you stop. Unless you're signing in, I know you're here, but you don't need to be talking about pets anymore. We're going to learn how to add and subtract decimals. I didn't tell you yet. We're not in our book yet. When you add and subtract decimals, it's not all that different than adding and subtracting normally, except like you have a decimal now. Just like when you add and subtract money, you have a decimal in your money. You have to remember to bring your decimal down, and it has to be in the same place value that it was in your problem. Okay? And you don't have a dollar sign. You don't have a dollar sign. So you don't add a sign and you just bring your decimal place down. So if you look at my first problem up here, look at these problems up here. If I have my decimal, I should have two places, decimal, and then I'm going to have all these numbers in front. So I'm going to have and then I'm going to have hundredth places, right? I have two. So let's add this up and then see what our number would be, like how we're going to bring our decimal place down. So if I have 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6, what do I get? No test, no. What's 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6? 15, okay. So just like normal, I'm going to carry my 1, okay. Now I'm going to do 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. What'd you get? 17? I'm just 17. Speak up. I can't hear you. Just kidding. Okay. 17. All right. So now here is my decimal place. See that? So I'm going to put my decimal right here. Two places, decimal. Now 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. I could hear you. Plus 9 equals what? What do I get? 23. All right. 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8. I'm leaning in so I could hear you. 22. And then what's 2 plus 4? Everyone should get that easily. 2 plus 4. Louder. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Oh, Clay, good. 6. So I would say this number, since it's a decimal, it's 623 and, remember, decimal is and 75 hundredths. 75 hundredths. Okay. So that's how we do adding with decimals. So I'm just going to let you add on your paper when you do it in there. All right? Okay, subtracting is the same way. You just do the same thing. So can I do 3 minus 5? No. I have to borrow from my 8. 8 becomes 7. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is what? 8. Good. Now here's my decimal again. So I'm going to put it down. 7 minus 7 is 7 minus 7 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 9 minus 8, 1. So I would say this answer is 10 and 8 tenths. That would be my answer. 10 and 8 tenths. Okay. So let's go in our book. Open your book to page 237. I'm not going to. The rule is to bring your decimal down to the same location. So if you have 2 decimal, 3 decimal, you just need to make sure. Okay. Okay, go to page 237. If we're in section 1, letter A. This is your answer for letter A. 623 decimal point 75. Refresh. So just hit the refresh button. Okay, you're going to do B, C, D, and you could cross out E. Okay, go to number 2. This is the first problem for number 2. 10.8. You can cross out the green and do the rest. Okay, the matching section you could do. That's the matching. The both A's are right here, Sabrina. They're both right here on the board. We're on page 237. Okay, what is my abbreviation for 1,000? What did you write? Remember that was like deca, kilo, milli. What did you write for 1,000? Good, kilo. Very good, Cherith. Kilo. Kilo is 1,000. You need to know this for your test next week. How about 100? Hecto. Good. Hecto. How about 10? 10. What's 10? Deca. Very good, Stephanie. Deca. How about 0.1? 0.1. Or that's 1/10. 1/10 would be deci. Good. DECI. Deci. You don't write 1/10. You write the abbreviation, which is deci. 100th. What's the abbreviation for 100th? Good. Very good, Senti. And 1,000th. 1,000th. Refresh. Refresh. Millie. Good. Millie. All right, the division you can cross out the green. Flip your paper over. Okay. I'm going to tell you which ones you could cross out on the back. And then, okay, Miss Palmer says, don't refresh it. She's giving the advice on what to do. You could write it on there for them. I don't know. I can see mine. It's lagging. I can't control the lagging. Oh, she doesn't have advice. She says just dance. As long as you can hear me, if you can hear me, maybe you can't see me. Okay? Are you able to hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Okay, just keep listening to the sound of my voice, okay? We won't be on much longer. As long as you can hear my voice, then if the video starts to look weird, just listen to my voice, okay? Listen to the sound of my voice as it soothes you. I will do a soothing video. Okay, if the video goes out, just listen to me. There is no test today. I already said that in the Renweb. My advice to you is just relax and listen to me, okay? Bob Ross, whatever. Okay, on the back side, here's what you can cross out. Green, I love you. Don't cross that out. Okay. Okay, you could cross out word. It didn't get canceled, Lily. It got moved to next week. She's not the boss around here. She thinks, Lily, I'm going to have a parent teacher meeting with your mom. You're not the boss. Hello, Lily. Didn't get canceled, Quinn. It got moved. What are you thinking? Parents, if you see what I deal with, okay, just in the writing alone, you should feel sorry for what teachers go through. Okay? Imagine this in real life with them all talking at one time. Okay. All right, on the back side, everyone listen or you're not going to know what to cross out. And then you're all going to say what to cross out. And I'm going to say, don't cross out. Lily, I don't know what you're laughing about. You're in trouble. Okay, on the back, you're crossing out word problem B. And then in the homework section 8, you're crossing now A, C, E, H, J. And we are going to do the place value chart together before I leave you, because we have to know how to do place value. Even if it makes Miss Schmuzzle lose her mind, which it's about to. Because you're all going to be like, what? I don't know what I'm doing. I get 4 days off from having to tell you what to do. Okay, so everyone got the crossouts. If you didn't, great. She got, okay, so Belle's being a teacher and she's telling you again. Okay, thanks, Belle. Okay, so I'm going to write the number. We're going to do the chart at the top. Then you're going to go do the rest of your paper on your own. Okay, so here is my numbers. Then I'm calling Lily's mom after this, and she's in trouble because she thinks she is the boss. Okay, so if this is what my place value looks like, see, just like in school, they'll all be like, "Oh, you're in trouble." Yeah. Oh, Lily, you're getting nervous now. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna tell your mom on you. Okay, so here's your numbers, and we're gonna put them in place value order. Okay, so if I start, here is my decimal. What is the number that comes right after the decimal? Who remembers? What's the very first place value right after a decimal? Very good, Clay. Tenths. You guys need to fill this in. This is the top of your page on 238. Tenths. So the very first zero is the tenths place. So that's decimal tenths. Good. Okay, what's the second zero? The second place. We are doing number 6. We're filling in the place value chart. So we have tenths. What's the next place value after the decimal? This is your decimal point. What's the second? Tenths? Good. Hundredths. Hundredths. What's the third number after the decimal? We are on number 6, guys, at the top of your page. Thousand. You gotta know this for your test next week. Place value. You learned place value. We reviewed it at the beginning of the year. You also learned it probably in 3rd grade, 2nd grade. Okay, so now that's just decimals. That's new. All of this is old. This is all old information. So now let's start with the first number in a regular number. Pretend that this wasn't here. What's the first digit? What's the last digit in a number? What do you call this number right here? What's the 1? The last digit. Ones. Yes. 1. Just a regular old digit starts with ones. Okay, then what's after ones? We're going to get bigger. We're going big now. Ones, then 10. Okay, we're getting bigger. Ones, then tens. What's bigger than tens? Not thousands yet. You skipped one. There's something else that comes before thousands. Hundreds, yes. 100. 100. This is the 100 spot right there. Okay. Now what's next? Now what's that 8 holding? What's the 8? Thousands. 1,000s. All right. We're not done yet. 1,000s. Now we're in. Now what's this one? 7. The next one is going to be, does anyone know? Good, Clay. 10,000. Because really all you're doing is repeating. You're doing 10,000s. So what's this one going to be? 10,000s. Yep, not thousands, just 1,000. 10,000s. Then what comes after 10? 100,000. Yes. And then what's the biggest number we learned about this year? It went all the way to 1 what? Million. Yes. 1 million. 1 million. 1 million spot. Okay. All right. So that should be your place value. Everything else we crossed out 1 million. Okay. So on the front page, you're just finishing up adding, subtracting, decimals, dividing. And on the back, I already told you what to cross out. And then Belle helped by telling you again. So you can go finish up this. And I will see you guys in a little bit more language. Bye. Have fun adding. Do it correctly. And Lily, I'm coming for you. So ring, ring. I'm texting your mommy.